everyone, today I would like to show you this espresso coffee maker machine. You can make espresso, americano, you can make iced coffee or hot coffee. Plus, it will be great idea as a present. So let me open the box and I will show you all accessories, how it looks like, and we will try to make some coffee. It comes with instruction. Right, some accessories inside. Touch screen. Let's add some water inside. The smaller one for espresso, bigger one more for latte, for cappuccino, iced latte. I will use the right. Here's the coffee. Let's press it. Perfect. It comes with brush as well. You can clean it. And let's place it. Done. Now let's try to make some coffee. Espresso americano, cool, double espresso, double americano. Let's try double americano. Super fast preheating. Done. Perfect. Look at this, beautiful. And let's use steam. You can adjust a little bit if you like. And your cappuccino is ready. Perfect. Guys, I really like this coffee machine, super easy to use and perfect cappuccino I made by myself, so I can save my money and time to always go to coffee shop. I can have my coffee at home. You can make espresso, americano, you can make double cool coffee, double americano, double espresso. Great quality, super fast preheating. I love this touch screen design. I will send it for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. Will be great idea as a present. Perfect size for small kitchen, touch screen, and super easy to use. You can always find it on Amazon.